Africa's venture capital scene is experiencing a period of remarkable growth. Funding for startups on the continent has surged, attracting global attention. This surge reflects Africa's immense potential for innovation and economic development. Despite this positive trend, challenges remain in fully realizing Africa's venture capital potential. Access to funding remains a significant hurdle for many African startups. Investor networks are still developing, and traditional financing options can be limited. Building robust venture capital ecosystems across Africa is crucial to unlocking the continent's entrepreneurial spirit. Supporting the growth of venture capital is essential for fostering innovation, creating jobs, and driving economic progress. The growth of venture capital in Africa represents a transformative opportunity for the continent. By addressing challenges and nurturing the growth of investor networks, Africa can unlock a new era of economic prosperity driven by innovation and entrepreneurship. The future of Africa's venture capital landscape is bright, promising exciting developments in the years to come.
Kenya has emerged as a frontrunner in Africa's venture capital landscape, implementing a proactive strategy to attract investment and foster innovation.
Recognizing the transformative potential of venture capital, Kenya has made it a priority to create a conducive environment for startups and investors alike. The country's strategic approach focuses on fostering a thriving tech ecosystem that attracts both local and international venture capitalists.
Kenya's venture capital strategy centers around key pillars, including supportive policies, startup incubation programs, and initiatives to attract foreign investment. The government has implemented policies designed to simplify business registration, enhance access to finance, and promote innovation.
These efforts are complemented by a vibrant ecosystem of incubators and accelerators that provide startups with the resources and mentorship they need to succeed. Kenya's commitment to developing its venture capital sector is evident in the numerous initiatives aimed at attracting global investors.
The country has actively participated in international conferences and roadshows to showcase its investment potential. These efforts have yielded positive results, with Kenya attracting increasing interest from venture capitalists worldwide.
Kenya's government has played a crucial role in fostering a supportive environment for venture capital and startups. Recognizing the importance of a thriving tech sector, the government has implemented policies designed to stimulate innovation and attract investment. These policies have created a more favorable business environment, encouraging entrepreneurship and attracting venture capitalists.
One key policy initiative has been the establishment of special economic zones designed to attract tech companies and investors. These zones offer tax incentives, streamlined regulations, and access to skilled labor, creating an attractive environment for venture capital-backed startups. The government has also introduced policies to simplify business registration processes, reducing bureaucratic hurdles for entrepreneurs.
Kenya's commitment to digital inclusion has also contributed to the growth of its tech ecosystem. The government has invested in expanding internet connectivity and promoting digital literacy, creating a larger pool of potential tech entrepreneurs and a more receptive market for tech-driven solutions. These supportive policies have laid a strong foundation for Kenya's venture capital ecosystem to flourish.
Kenya's startup ecosystem has witnessed the emergence of numerous success stories, inspiring a new generation of entrepreneurs and attracting investor attention. These startups are leveraging technology to address local challenges and tap into new market opportunities, demonstrating the potential of Kenya's tech sector.
The success of these ventures has further solidified Kenya's position as a leading hub for venture capital in Africa. One notable success story is M-Pesa, a mobile money transfer service that has revolutionized financial inclusion in Kenya and beyond. M-Pesa's success has not only generated significant returns for its investors, but has also demonstrated the transformative power of technology in emerging markets.
Other Kenyan startups have also achieved notable success in sectors such as e-commerce, logistics, and healthcare. These success stories serve as powerful examples for aspiring entrepreneurs, demonstrating the feasibility of building successful ventures in Kenya. They also provide tangible evidence of the returns that can be generated by investing in Kenyan startups, attracting further interest from venture capitalists seeking high-growth opportunities.
Kenya has implemented various incentives to attract venture capital from both domestic and international sources. Recognizing the need for capital to fuel the growth of its startup ecosystem, Kenya has taken steps to make the country a more attractive destination for venture capitalists. These incentives are designed to reduce investment risks and enhance the potential returns for investors, fostering a more vibrant venture capital landscape. Tax incentives are a key component of Kenya's strategy to attract venture capital. The government offers tax breaks for investments in specific sectors, including technology and innovation. These tax incentives reduce the financial burden on venture capitalists, making investments in Kenyan startups more appealing. Additionally, Kenya has streamlined regulations for foreign investors, making it easier for them to participate in the country's venture capital ecosystem. These investor incentives, coupled with Kenya's supportive policies and thriving startup ecosystem, have created a compelling case for venture capitalists seeking high-growth opportunities in emerging markets. Kenya's proactive approach to attracting investment has positioned the country as a leading destination for venture capital in Africa.
Despite the positive strides made in Kenya's venture capital landscape, certain challenges persist that require attention to ensure sustainable growth. Addressing these challenges is crucial for maintaining investor confidence and fostering a more robust venture capital ecosystem. While Kenya has made significant progress, overcoming these hurdles will be essential for unlocking the full potential of its venture capital sector. One challenge is the relatively limited number of experienced venture capitalists operating in Kenya. Building a deeper pool of venture capital expertise is crucial for providing startups with the guidance and support they need to scale their businesses. Attracting experienced venture capitalists from other markets can help bridge this gap and bring valuable insights to Kenya's startup ecosystem. Another challenge is the need for greater awareness and understanding of venture capital among entrepreneurs. Many startups may not be familiar with the intricacies of venture capital funding, limiting their ability to effectively engage with investors. Expanding educational programs and mentorship opportunities can empower entrepreneurs with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the venture capital landscape.
Kenya has set an ambitious vision to become a leading tech hub in Africa, leveraging venture capital as a key driver of innovation and economic growth. The country's vision is anchored in the belief that technology can be a powerful engine for progress, creating jobs, improving livelihoods, and addressing societal challenges. Kenya aims to foster a thriving tech ecosystem that attracts global talent, investment, and innovation. To achieve this vision, Kenya is actively promoting itself as a destination for tech companies and startups. The government is investing in infrastructure, including high-speed internet and technology parks, to create a conducive environment for tech businesses. Kenya is also fostering partnerships with international tech giants to bring expertise and investment to the country. Kenya's vision extends beyond just attracting tech companies. It aims to cultivate a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship throughout the country. This includes promoting STEM education, supporting research and development, and creating a supportive regulatory environment for tech startups. Kenya's ambition is to become a global leader in technology and innovation, driven by a thriving venture capital ecosystem.
The growth of venture capital in Kenya has the potential to have a significant positive impact on the broader African economy. As a leading economy in East Africa, Kenya's success in fostering a thriving venture capital ecosystem can serve as a model for other African nations. The spillover effects of Kenya's venture capital growth can contribute to regional economic integration and stimulate innovation across the continent. Kenya's venture capital-backed startups are creating jobs, developing innovative solutions to local challenges, and attracting foreign investment. The success of these startups can inspire entrepreneurship and innovation in neighboring countries, fostering a more dynamic and interconnected African economy. Kenya's role as a regional tech hub can also attract talent and investment from across Africa, further strengthening the continent's economic prospects. The growth of venture capital in Kenya represents a significant opportunity for Africa to leverage technology for economic development. By fostering a supportive environment for venture capital, Kenya is paving the way for a more prosperous and innovative future for the entire continent.
Kenya's venture capital journey is still unfolding, but the future holds immense potential for the country to become a global leader in technology and innovation. The country is well positioned to capitalize on the growing global interest in African tech and innovation, attracting further investment and fostering a more vibrant venture capital landscape. As Kenya's tech ecosystem matures, we can expect to see larger funding rounds, the emergence of more specialized venture capital funds, and a greater focus on supporting startups in key sectors such as fintech, agritech, and healthcare. The growing success of Kenyan startups is likely to attract more experienced venture capitalists from other markets, bringing valuable expertise and networks to the country. The future of venture capital in Kenya looks promising, with several factors pointing towards continued growth and a strengthening ecosystem. Kenya's supportive policies, growing startup scene, and increasing investor interest suggest that the venture capital landscape will continue to evolve and mature.
Kenya's venture capital journey is a testament to the country's commitment to fostering innovation and economic growth. By implementing supportive policies, attracting global investment, and nurturing a thriving startup ecosystem, Kenya has emerged as a leading destination for venture capital in Africa. The country's success story serves as an inspiration for other African nations seeking to leverage technology for economic development. While challenges remain, Kenya's proactive approach to fostering a vibrant venture capital landscape suggests a bright future for the country's tech sector. The continued growth of venture capital in Kenya has the potential to transform the African economy, creating jobs, driving innovation, and unlocking new opportunities for prosperity. Kenya's venture capital journey is a story of ambition, progress, and the transformative power of technology.